Oh my gosh, there's lots of high rail trucks going down today. So there's maintenance on this track. Here's a reminder, see some of my YouTube shorts for more. We got a high rail truck, another one. Sheesh! We have a lot of those today. It's waiting for cars to go by because the signals recognize something's too small for the signals to go down. All right, here it goes. High rail. This is like the third high rail of the day. Lots of high rail trains today. Well, high rail trucks, actually. That's the third one.